I really do hate bikes.
This is a quick announcement, right? Don't ever work with bikes.
What I hate is fucking fixing bikes. Ever trust chains because they're fucking pain in the ass. No, it hasn't snapped.
You're saying, right, I'm very good at tyres, but it's one thing when it comes to fucking chains or whatever, it's fucking pain in the ass. Guys, it don't go right again, fucked up at the end. So this fucking bike here, that one, the fucking gears won't work.
About me about bikes, I'm pretty good with inner tubes, tires, but not fucking chains.
Fucking hell.
Takes donkey ass piss.
On my friend, an elf. Hello. Hello.
A fucking bike. And guess what? It's shit. Joking.
Go for beer, alright? Drinking. Oh yeah, but guess what you can't be doing is Elf, right? Yeah, bring some donuts too. Thank you. Me and Elf is best friends. Oh my god. You're my best friend, alright? Yeah, the piss of red coat.
Me and my girlfriend Aaron are going to snow working for me now, damn it.
For my friend. When you need to come down here next time, just let me know because I want to use it. Oh fuck, so he's coming back. Beers, so we need to hang out and, drink. Oh yeah, but I forgot shit. It's alcohol free, don't you bastards. You could, 1 elf, 2 elf, 0.1, 0.2 elf, I'm twin elf! Woo!
I'm going to buy one.
Buy one, get one free.com. That person, right, he goes zip in a loop and then he goes back, like, I put you go back on and I get affected, so I go back home. Things from, the horns. Friend, an elf. Say hello to Snapchat. Guys, I'll see you guys later. No going complain day. See you guys, elf mate. We're gonna be later. Don't worry about that. See you guys later. Bye. Basically, guys, right? I made a new friend called an elf, right? Don't judge him or anything. He's my good friend. He's my bestie. Complain day. Smell food. It's calling me. Actually, this is the reason why I get the things shorter than before because it's been run better. Ooh, hello. Hello to Snapchat. Now I'm meeting a new friend called Elf. Well, you probably look like next month for New Year's thing. I don't think I'm going to see you tomorrow. Best friend, I'll see you. Good.